Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on ratio worksheet. Excuse me. Answer the following questions. Express each of the following ratios in simplest form. Now, we've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you haven't met the idea of ratio or you're not sure what to do, on the next slide there's a link. Click on the link and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So, ratio, there's a ratio here of 4:12. We've explained in the lesson what this means, and I also showed you how to express it in simplest form. Number B, 9:15. Number C, 18:24. Number D, 12:18:30. Number E, 18:27:54. Number F, 18:30:45. And number G, 32:48:80. So all of those has to be expressed into simplest form, and it's the same idea you use when you are expressing fractions in simplest form. Number 2. John earns $72 per week and Tom earns $96 per week. We have to do two things. Write John's wage to Tom's wage in the form of a ratio in simplest form. Number B, write Tom's wage to the sum of the two wages in a ratio in simplest form. So we've had something like this in the lesson, so it shouldn't be too difficult for you to do that if you've seen the lesson. If not, just go to the next slide, click on the lesson, and you'll know how to do this. The next example. The following coloured cars were seen in a car park. Red, 18 cars. White, 30. Black, 12. And silver, 24. Now we have to do two things. First one, express the white cars to the silver cars as a ratio in simplest form, and express the red cars to the total cars as a ratio in simplest form. So this video has introduced a very simple worksheet on ratio, and we've been asked to write some ratios in simplest form and to do some very straightforward questions.